Have you recently lost your job due to lockdowns? Do you need extra money or a new income source? In this free video course, you'll learn how to get a legit home-based job and make good money working from home. This free training teaches you everything you need to know to quickly get started. Seats are limited. Click the banner now to enroll for free. You'll learn how and where to find a real, legit online job. There are currently over 100,000 remote jobs available from employers around the world. So there are tons of jobs to choose from, which is great. And if you don't know what you can do to make money online, don't worry. I'll give you many ideas for different types of online jobs you could do, regardless of your former line of work, skills, vocational education, or business. Luckily, there are a great many easy work-from-home jobs that almost anyone can do, even without any special skills. You could earn $15 to $80 per hour, depending on what you do. If you don't have any skills, you can make around $15 to $30 per hour doing easy jobs. If you're a native English speaker, you could do jobs that pay up to $40 per hour. And if you have some skills or experience in a certain field such as coding, web development, project management, accounting, sales, marketing, graphic design, etc., then you can make great money. $50 per hour, $80 per hour, and more. As a personal example, when I was 16, I was paid $25 per hour, $1,000 per week, to do easy things like find recipes on Google, copy-paste the recipes onto a blog for a company, add links to Wikipedia articles, research the health benefits of certain herbs online, and collect simple fun facts about animals. There are over 100,000 jobs available, so you'll surely find something that you can do. So click the banner right now to get started. And it doesn't matter how old you are, if you're unemployed, what former jobs you had, if you have a degree or not, where you live, and what skills you have. You can work full-time, part-time, a few hours per week, and you can work on short-term projects or long-term ones. In this free video training, you'll discover where to find legit home-based jobs and how to avoid scammers. How to write a great bio that impresses employers. How to apply to online jobs in the right way to get hired. 5 ways to greatly increase your chances of getting hired. How to write a winning application letter. How to ensure you do get paid when working online for companies in other countries. You'll also discover the 3 terrible common mistakes to avoid when working online, as well as how to earn more money per hour within a month or 2, and the best types of online jobs to go for when you're just starting out. Plus, you'll also learn how to make money by helping your friends find a job online. How you can get paid $40 every time an employer posts a job ad on a famous website like Monster. And many more easy and fun ways to make money online aside from working for a company, including how to create a passive income. Okay, so to join, click this banner. This training is completely free. All you need to do is to enter your name and your email. Then create a free student account in our online school. After signing in, you'll be able to access a training in the membership area. This is what it looks like. As you can see, we have tons of tutorials, resources, advice, and some articles. Lots of valuable tips, information to help you succeed working online. This course is completely free. No catches. Your data is safe and will never be sold, shared, or spammed. Alright, so if you really need and want to make money working from home, click the banner now to get this training for free. I can't wait to see you on the other side.